Lesson 3.5, divide integers. To divide integers with different signs, the quotient of two integers with different signs is negative. So these are our same rules as multiplying. If we have opposite signs, our answer is always negative. So if we go down to example A, we have 20 divided by negative 4. Again, I pick out I have a positive and a negative, so I know right away my answer is negative, and then I just divide. 20 divided by 4 is 5, so we have negative 5. Okay, letter B, we have negative 81 divided by 9. Again, I pick out I have a negative and a positive, so I know right away my answer is negative. And then I divide 81 divided by 9, which is 9. So negative 81 divided by positive 9 is negative 9. And letter C, we have negative 45 divided by 9. Again, I have a negative and a positive. I know my answer is negative. 45 divided by 9 is 5, so we get negative 5. Okay? And then if we divide with the same sign, our answer is always positive. Again, just like our multiplication rules. Same sign or positive. So a positive divided by a positive is positive, and a negative divided by a negative is a positive. Again, we have our double negatives. They always make a positive. So if we look at letter D, we have negative 24 divided by negative 4. Right away, I pick out my double negatives. I have two negatives. I know it's positive. Then I take 24 divided by 4, which is 6. Letter E, we have negative 9 divided by negative 3. Again, I have two negatives. Double negatives equal a positive. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Letter F, we have negative 28 divided by negative 7. Again, I have my double negatives. They cancel, so we take 28 divided by 7, which is 4. Right? Letter G says evaluate A divided by B if A equals negative 33 and B equals negative 3. So again, when we evaluate, we fill in what we know the variables represent. So first I have A. They told us that A was negative 33. And then divided by B, which they told us equaled negative 3. So now I have negative 33 divided by negative 3. Okay, again, I have my double negatives. They cancel. So 33 divided by 3 is 11. Okay, and then let's try a story problem. The average temperature in January for the North Pole, Alaska, is negative 24 degrees Celsius. Use the expression 9 times C plus 160 divided by 5 to find this temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. Round to the nearest degree, then explain its meaning. Okay, so again, when I'm working with word problems, we need to figure out what is important to us. What do we need to know? Well, we know we have negative 24 degrees Celsius. We're going to use this expression to find degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to round to the nearest degree, and then we have to explain its meaning. Okay? So, first, we have negative 24 degrees Celsius. We're going to use our expression 9 times C plus 160 divided by 5. We don't know how to solve for C, but we know what C represents. That's degrees Celsius. And they told us it's negative 24 degrees Celsius. So we're going to evaluate here. We're going to fill in C with negative 24. So now our expression would be 9 times negative 24 plus 160 divided by 5. Okay? Now we need to solve this. When we are solving in the terms that it looks like a fraction or a ratio, we always simplify the numerator, then simplify the denominator. So I'm going to start with the numerator. We have 9 times negative 24 plus 160. So again, I follow my order of operations. First is parentheses. We have parentheses, but there's nothing to do in it. We have no exponents. Now we're going to multiply. So we're going to take 9 times negative 24, which is negative 216, plus 160 divided by 5. Okay, I still don't have one term in my numerator, so I got to simplify that. So we have negative 216 plus 160. Again, I have a negative plus a positive. I make my zero pairs. They cancel. What's left? We would get negative 55 divided by 5. Now I have a single term in my numerator and denominator, so I can divide them. We have a negative divided by a positive. I know right away my answer is negative. And then 55 divided by 5 is 11. So we have found degrees Fahrenheit. We need to round to the nearest degree, which is 11. And then we're going to explain its meaning. Okay, what does this negative 11 mean? This negative 11 means that North Pole, Alaska's average temperature in January is about negative 11 degrees Fahrenheit. So again, our dividing rules are the same as our multiplying rules. Same signs, positive, opposite signs, negative.